Thanks for training with me. And don't forget to pick up copies of my books, Pilates for Athletes and Power Yoga for Athletes. The link to order both books is below.
Good morning, good morning. What musical is that from, my friends? Good morning. Coach Vigue, would you believe it? But this spot we're in right now, this luscious meadow, did I mention it's luscious? Is only a few minutes from my house. So I plan to come out here a lot more and film a lot of fun stuff for you. It's morning, perhaps. And we're going to do a little yoga flow, stretch flow. What am I doing here? I got caught up in my singing. Stretch flow with a little power yoga edge to it. Some extra movement because we want to have the best, the absolute best, most productive, most purpose-filled day we could ever have. I'm just checking my surroundings here. Let's begin. Check in below. And today's question, let me know your favorite Beatles song. That just popped in my head. Your favorite song by the Beatles. Not the Turtles, not the Grassroots, but the Beatles. Let's bring it back. Child's pose. Sway it side to side. Focus on deep breathing in the nose and out the nose, as our sun might be deserting us a bit, but our breath never will. Stretch the arms further forward. Relax the shoulders. Let your whole body partake in this sumptuous feast of flow in the morning. Sumptuous feast. I like saying that. Side to side. Let your back be loose. Let it be limber. Take the pressure off your knees. And as I mentioned, little power yoga edge to it. So inhale forward. We're going to focus on some flow. Bring it down to the forearms. Lift up, shoulders up and back. Baby Cobra. Let me know if someone comes trundling down this trail. Exhale, lower down. Press back, child's pose. Take the knees wider and sway back and forth in the nose and out the nose. Perhaps you've done the back and forth child's pose before. That's okay. Work on it. Improve it. Everything is under improvement. Inhale forward. Stretch it out. Slide the hands under the shoulders, elbows into the sides. Inhale, lift up. We got ourselves, oh yes we do, a little bit of a cobra. As high as you want to go, squeeze the glutes. Draw the shoulders back and down. Let's wake up the spine, shall we? Wake it up. Exhale, down. This time press back to downward facing dog. All right, there's a wayward ant. Slowly walk the legs. If down dog is making your body a little unhappy right now, if you're not ready for it, stay in child's pose. We got you covered. There is always something very productive and very healthy and beneficial you can do. Add a little bit of a twist. Coach Vigue loves the twists here. Loosening up our sides, waking up the body. Blowing ants off your arm. 4 more steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, bring the right foot forward. Drop the left knee. Low lunge. We're gonna, I think we're moving here a little bit. Back and forth. Another Coach Vigue favorite. Split series. Let's get some viscosity, some movement in the knee. There we are. Forward and back. I like to call this a runner's lunge. Maybe you do too. Let's call it that together. Good. Hooked on that movement. Do every other kind of working out, cross training, beautiful stuff, but bring it back to this flexibility flow training. All right, here's what we're going to do. You ready? Bring it forward, low lunge. Fall over. Now twist to the right. You can place the hands here or hands together. Draw the shoulders back. Sink it down and add a twist. Create some space in the sides. In the nose, out the nose. Yeah, right when I hit record, the clouds, they just rolled right in, didn't they? Doesn't have to be sunny. It's morning. Doesn't have to be sunny. All right, step it back. Knees down. Again, bring it forward and down. We're kind of getting around a vinyasa flow here. And Cobra. Open the chest, open the breath. I swear, if somebody comes walking up there, I'm going to jump. I'm going to jump with a start. Probably say something like, ha! Okay, down, back to down dog. Walk those legs. If a bear comes, but if a person comes, you better watch out. Spread the fingers wide, deepen that breath, deepen the connection of the breath. Okay, now left foot forward. We have our low lunge. Slide that right knee back, and let's get busy moving. Inhale forward, exhale back. Favorite Beatles song, huh? Couldn't just be a one-hit wonder band. It had to be the Beatles, right? All right. Forward and back. Getting some nice attention here to the hip flexors. Ooh, good. Get in that rhythm. Get in that movement. See the day. Be the ball, Danny. See the day before you. Let it be something of legend, of mythic proportions, your day today. All right, twist, hands together. Exhale, twist further. Inhale, prep it. Space in the sides. One more breath, twist it out. Feel the energy growing. Feel the focus and clarity snapping to attention. All right, back to child's pose. Press it back. A little sway side to side again. Here we are. Okay, forward. Downward facing dog. Take the feet together. Bring the straw off your leg and put it over there. We're going to twist it back and forth. Bend the knees a little bit. Your hips are going side to side in a twist. There we are. Let the blood pour into your brain, into your head, bringing oxygen to the movements, to the brain. 2 more times each side. There it is. Elongate the sides. Oh, okay. Knees down. Gate pose. How'd that ant get there? Take the leg out to the side and up and over. 3 breaths. A little active movement here. Keep it moving. So exhale, stretch. Inhale, lift a bit. Draw this arm back. This one here. This one. Okay. All right, other side. Arms out. Ta-da. Ooh. Okay. I was hiking around for about an hour. There's a spot right over there. It's beautiful views. It opens up, but the sun is here. So tomorrow morning I'm coming out here. Sun's back there. I'm going to get a beautiful backdrop, beautiful green screen for y'all. Excellent. All right, bring it back to downward facing dog. Take the right leg, bring it up, up. Stretch out the body, get length. And now, let's take this right foot forward to the outside of the hand, sink it down. Big stretch, little version of the lizard. Yes, the lizard. Step back, other side. Lift tall, stretch it out, open the hip if you like. And then the foot comes to the outside. Drop down, getting some nice business going on here in the shoulders and arms, and stretching the hip flexor. Right leg up. Little rhythm here. Stretch it down. Lizard time. Back and forth. Let's do 2 more each side. Stretch. Here comes the breeze. Good morning. Good morning. Mm-hmm. One more time, my friend. Stretch. Foot down, shoulders back. You are a proud peacock. Lift tall. Step back, plank position. Drop the knees to modify. Shoulders back, rock it forward and back. Let the shoulders know you care, getting some movement, some heat into the shoulders. Again, setting the tone for your day, full of purpose, full of service, full of clarity. Improve your relationships, improve your fitness, improve as much as you can. Stronger every day. Forward, bring it down. Ooh. Shoulders back, Cobra, or all the way up into upward facing dog. Just drop the shoulders. All right, downward facing dog. Let's finish this off. Bring the right foot forward, warrior position. Woo! Methinks I have to tuck in my shirt. Reverse warrior, hand here, or reach the arm across, up and back. Big stretch, 3 breaths. Sinking down into the right leg, turn this left foot in. All right, extend that warrior, either forearm here or bring the hand down. 3 breaths. Loose, loosey-goosey, loose in the pose. You hear that? Okay. All right, hands down. Either step back to down dog or join me in a vinyasa flow. Step back to plank. Forward, now hover. Down, elbows in. You know I love power yoga. I teach a lot of power yoga. I film it, I write about it, I eat it. Shoulders back, Cobra or up dog. So when I can add in some kind of flow, really flow, building power and strength and flexibility, I cannot resist it. Downward facing dog. All right, let's do that warrior on the other side. Trying to dodge the ant here. So reverse warrior. Vinyasa blow right there. Oh, that was a terrible pun. Reach up and back. 3 breaths. I'm drowning in this fresh air. It's beautiful being outside, energized, getting the vitamin D. All the senses are going. All right, here we have side angle. Or bring the hand down. Do my Pete Townsend move. 3 breaths. Good. Let's make it happen right now. Make it good. Make it the best. All right. Either back to down dog or vinyasa flow again. We build up into it. You may, at the beginning of the class, it might be a little too much, but your body is acclimating, it's adapting, and here we go. Drop the knees to modify. Legs extended back, Cobra or up dog. But with the proper steps taken, your body builds in real time. Adaptation. Is that how you say it? Adaptation? Adaption? Adaption. I like to mispronounce words a lot. All right, back to child's pose. Cross the arms, the knot pose. By the chest, rock it a little side to side, a little forward and back. Knead the dough, knead your shoulders. I did a chest workout yesterday. The gym that I teach at in town is open again, so I went and did a proper workout. I've been working out in my garage, at home, filming. Doing very well, but getting on the bench press and the incline bench press, it's a little different than doing push-ups. Love that. Everything has its purpose in fitness. It strikes you in different ways. It can challenge you in different ways. Keep your body always growing. All right, switch the arms. Other one on top, other one on the bottom. Side to side, forward and back. Flatten out your upper back. Favorite Beatles song. One more breath. Okay, Slide it forward. Cobra or up dog. Engage the arms and the shoulders. Enjoy the meadow. One more breath. All right, back to down dog. Slowly walk the feet forward. Bring them forward. Feel that big stretch down the backs of the legs. Bend the knees, release. Take 2 breaths. Arms can hang, or hands on the legs, or arms around the legs. Decompression in the spine. Inhale, rising up. Feel the feet. Feel those feet planted strong. As we lift. Whew. 3 shoulder rolls. 1 more. Okay. All right. Voila, that's it. All right. Sometimes it ends with a whimper and not with a bang. Beautiful, my friends. Coach Vigue, Vogue, but with an I. What did you think of that flow? I was very excited. Any video I ever film, extremely excited to bring it to you. I want it to be always a little challenging, unpredictable, yet familiar. Trying to thread that needle. And always enjoyable, that we want to enhance. And I hope this adds to the enjoyment of your day. What is your favorite Beatles song? Write it below. I was thinking, I always like Ticket to Ride. There's all the classic catalog songs. But there's one that sticks out. It's called You're Gonna Lose That Girl. And it was stuck in my head once for about 7.5 weeks. You're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose that girl. You're gonna lose it, girl. I-ho. Hey, it's Coach Vigue again. You remember me? Let me tell you something. If you enjoyed this video, I have a free gift just for you. It's one of my most popular members-only videos from the brand new Sean Vigue Fitness app. Now, all you have to do is click the link below, either in the About section or the pinned comment. It'll take you to another page. You put in your email, and boom, that video will be sent to you right away. Ooh.